Hi tech lovers, today I will compare Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 Pro versus Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. Which one should you buy? The Buds 4 come with upgrade two-way speaker, better sound clarity and stronger active noise cancellation. It also supports high-res 24-bit audio for more premium experience. On the other hand, the Buds 3 Pro is still great, but the sound and ANC are slightly weaker compared to the newer model. You also get improved design, better call quality and smart AI features on the Buds 4 Pro. So if you want the best sound and latest features, go for Buds 4 Pro. But if you want to save money, Buds 3 Pro is still solid choice.